Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel and thank you for checking out this video. For our tutorial today, we are going to talk about the drafting view in Revit. This is basically the view in Revit that we can have our 2D drawings which may have no reference to the model. But before we start, please don't forget to like, subscribe, click the notification bell and leave a comment down below. Thank you. So right now, we are going to add a drafting view into this file. Let's go to the View tab. Then click the Drafting View. On the dialog box, we can type the name that we want, and we can also set the scale accordingly. For now, we are going to keep the name in the scale. Click OK. Now we are on the drafting view already. On the project browser, the drafting view section is added also. Under it is our current drafting view, Drafting 1. So when you are on the drafting view, most of the icons on the ribbon are grayed out. It's because you are in a 2D environment, and only 2D tools can be used. So most of the tools we can use are on the Annotate tab. We are going to draw a sample detail. We are going to use a detail line. So drafting view is an alternative to AutoCAD which is within the Revit software. Another tool we can use is the region. Click the drop-down button and select Filled Region. Filled region is equivalent to the hatch in AutoCAD. Then another tool is the insulation. You can adjust the width accordingly to fit into your detail. Next is the text. These are the options for our text to have a leader. And of course the dimensions. So that is basically how to use the drafting view in Revit. It is good for typical details and blow-up details that you can use for your project. Then, you can add it into the sheets. Now, we are also going to show another example of what we can do in drafting view. We are going to play around and create a logo using the drafting view tools. Let's just use our own name to create a logo. Those are just samples of what you can do within the drafting view. It is a useful feature in Revit, especially if you are working on a project. You don't need to use another software when you need to create 2D drawings or even create graphics for your presentation. You guys can try it out and discover what else you can do within the drafting view. Alright, that's it for now. Hope that you have learned something new about Revit and hope to see you again on our next video. Please comment down below if you have any questions or if you have any suggestions of a tutorial that we should do. Thank you for watching.